Hello and welcome to Fish Wonk. My name is Zane and I am your Fish Wonk. Today we're going to be talking about the wars that go on in the intertidal. Now this is a war of a very specific type of organism. They are a type of anemone, specifically Anthropleura elegantissima, or better known as the aggregating anemone. Now they are called the aggregating anemone because they clone themselves over and over and over and over again and create these massive stretches that stretch over entire rocks, which might not seem like a ton to us, but in the intertidal, where space is the biggest limiting factor of all, an entire rock is huge. Now, all of these little bits that seem like they're just covered in sand, but you might see a bit of green poking through, those are all different aggregating anemones, different individuals, probably that are clonally identical, meaning that they share the same genes. Now, they have almost a caste system where the queen, the first one to set down, will then begin cloning themselves, creating ones with specific purposes. Generally, scouts are much smaller and will be sent out to claim new area because anemones are actually capable of moving just very, very slowly. But the scouts will move out claiming more territory, and then eventually, because it's inevitable in the intertidal, you will encounter another group of anemones, this one from a different clonal family. Now, when they do that, the scouts will report back, passing signals through the water, and then the queen will send out the warriors. Now, the warriors are bigger and have specialized stinging bulbs known as acroragi, and they'll use these to essentially club each other to death with the stinging tentacles, as they will meet on the front, and whichever one wins will then claim that territory. And so you will have battle lines drawn, some will advance, then they'll lose ground, and that war will effectively continue on indefinitely unless something disturbs it enough to give one side or another a particular advantage. Now, that's all for this episode of Fish Wonk. Next time we're going to talk about the dominion of the mussels, another group that creates these massive rock covering structures.